Panoorin po natin ang ilan sa highlights ng House of Representatives plenary deliberation on the 2025 budget of the Department of Justice and its attached agencies.
At para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang PAW po ay isa sa mga attached agencies ng DOJ for budget purposes. Please watch this.
Kung hindi tayo, sino pang ama? Bayang Pilipinas, pagkaganda, magmamahal at kakalinga. Kailangan may mangunguna katulad mo, isang agilan lumilipad kahit na mag-isa.
May malasakit sa tuwina, may tapang para sa hustisya. Pilipinas, Pilipinas, isulong magandang bukas. Kahirapan ay magwawakas upang kaunlaray malasap. Pilipinas, isulong ang magandang mangunguna, makakasama sa misyong pangarap ng masa. Walang uurong maiiwan, lahat tayo ay sasagana.
Halina at magkaisa na, kapit kamay tayo, lahat na mamahalin.
Bayan na kay handa, hanggang wakas ay sama-sama.
Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize Representative Jill Bongalon of Ako Bicol Party List and Representative Loreto Atcharon of the Lone District of General Santos City, both vice chairpersons of the Committee on Appropriations, to sponsor and answer questions on the proposed budget of the Department of Justice.
The Chair recognizes the Honorable Bongalon and the Honorable Atcharon. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, good afternoon. It is my honor to sponsor the budget of the Department of Justice and its attached agencies for the fiscal year 2025.
Hanggang wakas ay sama-sama. Pilipinas, Pilipinas, isulong magandang bukas. Kahirapan ay magwawakas.
Lubos ang aking pasasalamat sa National Bureau of Investigation, sa Public Attorney's Office sa aspetong ito, gayon din po sa Bureau of Immigration. I, the OFW Party List, firmly support the approval of the proposed budget of the Department of Justice and its attached agencies for 2025.
I am supporting the budget of the Department of Justice. In consideration for me, our former colleague, now the Secretary, has done an outstanding job in the department.
And Mr. Speaker, there being no more members of the minority who wishes to propound questions, I move to terminate the period of sponsored debate for the Department of Justice, including all attached agencies.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, on the part of the majority, we join the minority in the motion to terminate the interpellations on the proposed budget of the Department of Justice.
There is a joint motion to terminate the interpellations on the proposed budget of the Department of Justice, including attached agencies. Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The interpellations on the proposed budget of the Department of Justice, including attached agencies, is hereby terminated. Congratulations to the DOJ family.
Tagumpay ng bayan na kami,
bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya, tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas at hustisya. Ang nagmatas ay bumagsak, ang nangapi at tumama, parang hangin na nagwawasak, na parang sa isamong kumpas, bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya, tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas at hustisya. Bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya, tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas at hustisya. Naghari batas at hustisya.